Hi guys, in this chapter we will learn that how to data in decimals, because in QGIS mostly data in the roundup already by default the QGIS, but we can create the decimal, means after the point, if you want three decimal, four decimal, two decimal, one decimals, we can create it. So let's go start. Open your QGIS. I'm open already here, and this is my by default the template. I don't want here. Open, and we have to choose the one area and one locations. So I'm adding a one layer already. I have my location there. Add a vector layer, and just click in three dots here. Okay, then we go where we wanted, see the basic plan here. Okay, and say to add. Now we all add, later we'll delete it. Okay, and okay, this layers we don't want, this layer, this we don't want. So we'll select all and remove this layer from here and bring a base map from here, base map. Google satellite I prefer. In this area is already here. Otherwise, your layer select it and say to zoom to layer. You can see this area is here. Layer is not looking because of this. Our Google map is the upper. So front here bring to down. Then we can see our layers. Yes. Now you download a DEM digital elevation model data. How do you download? Just go to here the open topographical DEM downloaders. If you don't have this plugin, then you go to your plugin, or you can download from here. You see there's your computer should be connected a good network. Then you see and all. Then you can select here DEM right here. Then you can find here, see that already I selected means I already download and installed. If you want, then just click and you will get the here option install. My install because already installed, so you can install from here. Then you find it here, you see in the tools. If you don't find here, then go to in raster. Here in the first is you can see the open topography map here and select once here. And which type data if you want, you select from here. More options are here. I like here 30 meters SRDM. Okay, and choose the area of your canvas, or you can choose as you like. You can mark here more options, but I'm just want to the select the whole my canvas, map canvas. Okay, and require the here the key. If you don't have key, then you go in this website, address is here, and there sign up or create your account. Then you can easily and very simple way to create the API key. Then you can use here. My API key is here. Please don't use it. Okay, then say to run. Okay, wait, it's downloading now. DEM digital elevation model data will be appear here after download, and layer will be add here. So wait, it's taking few seconds because of the network. See, already downloaded, complete, close to here. Okay, this layer already added, but this is not enough. Sorry, uh, you just select here and see that your digital elevation model data is here. But first you go and change your project as per your coordinator system projections. So here just go in the project, come down property. In this property, you choose your coordinate system, reference system. I have here already because I used here, and you see my area I can see. So apply and say to OK. Okay, it's okay now. Reproject it, and you see the our projected here, project here. Now just you select here and go to save this layer. Otherwise, directly you can see one more option, because we have to reproject our project. Otherwise, here we have to XYZ only, but don't have the vertical data means elevations. So how to assign the elevations? Before you assign the elevation, you have to reproject your project. Then you will see there is this option. Here you can get the raster, then go to here the projection, then option are here graphs, or you can find in your toolbox here. So better you choose from here the projections and select this graph here, reproject, and add your layer is the DM layer, should be this one, and source automatically have source, so we don't want to choose. You choose here target, we choose our project reference system here, and in this resampling method you select this one, second number or third number, because it's a very smoothness and more accurate. So I'm choosing here billionaires. Okay, then in this part you choose point triple or four nines after point, and here output resolutions maybe 30 because our SRTM is 30. Then come down, and here you can see that most important option is this one, output data. Otherwise, you will not get after the decimals. Here select, then come is the better option is the float. 32 is good, and say to valid. It is the valid, or you can want to you can add it here, or say to run. Now you see that our project is there reprojected here, and if you want you can save this layer if you want. If you don't want, not save it. Otherwise, you see the difference here is there 1096, this is the roundable, this and 1056 is the roundable data, the elevation is showing. But here you see the 10956.4, the exact data is this one, but here direct showing 96. Okay, this is the difference is there. And other things, now we create our data. So come to here and choose the points. We have to create point in our canvas area, so random one points. So you see the random points in the extend means this whole area or canvas area, or more option in the vector creation. Here you see the how do want you along with the line points, more options are here, but I'm choosing our extent. So here educate, and here you choose the area will be fully my canvas area. So just click here. Otherwise you can choose here, more options are there. And how many points you want around, like if you say that I want the 20,000 points here. Okay, this 20,000 points huge, or minimum distance this optional, you leave it. Should we check our target, the coordinate reference system is the okay, then no more do some things, then say to run. Okay, we can run it here. Okay, point to already run, but this point also have only x and y coordinates, but we have to decide the vertical, assign the verticals, z value, elevations. So how that one option are here, Drape. Okay, recent already I used. Otherwise, in vector geometry, you can find there are this option available. We select from here, execute, and here point, which point we want to assign the z value. This is our random point, and raster layer should be at the this projected, not a original file, reprojected. Here we selected here already. Then you can see the run here. Okay, and close it here. Then select your draft layer and right click, go to attribute table. Attribute table ID is already here. Other three columns we have to create. So how do we create? Just you go here, select our field calculation, field calculator. Here you can give to east, northing, X, Y, Z, any or now. I'm giving to here, my name is the E. Okay, then you come and select here the decimal number real. Okay, then three precisions is okay. Then here give to a small expressions, dollar, and then X. Then you can see that view also here. Then say apply. See, X field is already created here. Now we are creating the Y. So just here write Y, and this X replaced to Y here, and see the your preview is here, and say to apply. Then you see the Y or your column is created. This field is here also. Another we want to create the here Z or EL V, any you want you can select here, and this is the decimal number real is okay, this precision is 3 okay. Now just we replace Y, it is Z here, then you can find the your values are here, but we not finding here the after the points. This is the a big problem in the QGIS. So how do we do? This is the small something problems. Just it cancel cancel and reproject this all our from here and up to this all, and a random point, and this Drape system here you can select. Otherwise, once you can check here, go and come here the Drape point attribute and field calculator. Here you choose the your expression is the dollar and Z. Okay, here choose the real decimal number. This is the 3, and come here and give to expression is dollar, then Z, and apply, and you see, okay, finish. You see this now your elevation of have in the 3 decimals. X coordinate, Y coordinate, and Z also you see here, not round up like 107300. This is the exact value. That's why here showing, but here you see this after the points, decimal points 3 are showing. Now these points you copy and paste in your Excel and use for your project. Here also see the start from 0, and if you want to change all your points, see 19,999 because we, 0 start from 0. Otherwise, a total number is that 200. How do we change? Let's start. Open again the field calculator here and update the existing field here and select your field ID here and give to expression here dollar and then write the ID. It is okay. Then you see the number is 1 and apply and say to okay. Now see the start from 1. Now you select the total point is that 20 number. So I think you understood very well. This thing is very important because in by default in QGIS, all points are in the rounded. So this round should be, we have to give a like this expression in the project. Reprojected this our DM have this data here, but our original DM is don't have this decimal points. This thing is very important, and so many people say are confusing in here. So please not confuse. Follow this my fully the chapter. You will learn. If you have something any required, you can ask me without any hesitation. Thanks for watching.